So let's look at substituting negative numbers. So the discipline that I want you guys to maintain is to use brackets. Let me show what I mean. So we are substituting x as -3. So in place of x, I'm going to write brackets open -3 bracket closed plus x. So let's maintain this discipline. This will help us with a lot of things. Okay. So now we can see that there's nothing outside the bracket. So I can write this as -3 plus 8. And so this will be 5. So please pause and try all of these questions. So we have 5x minus 2. So or I can rewrite clearly as 5 into x minus 2. And then let's substitute x as -4. So 5 times of what is that I'm asking you guys to do? Use brackets. Whenever substituting negative terms, use brackets -2. So we're looking at 5 times of -4, that is -20, and then -2. Again, I'm using board mass here. So there was multiplication and then addition. And so we have -22. So we have x divided by 2 minus 6. We are substituting x as -10. So what we have here is -10 brackets open divided by 2 minus 6. So again board mass. There's no brackets. There's no operation. There is division. So you might think that, but we do have brackets, right? So there's nothing inside the brackets that we need to do. So I'm cancelling brackets. So minus of negative divided by positive is negative. 10 divided by 2 is 5. And we have -6. And these two are addition. And we have -11. So x plus 5. So we have two variables now. So let's substitute x as -2 and y as 5. So we have this to be -2 plus 5. Again, there's nothing outside the brackets. And so this will be just -2 plus 5. That is 3. More problems? Please try. We have the expression 3x, or it's always better to write 3 times of x plus 4 times of y. And we'll substitute x as -2 and y as -1. So basically 3 times of -2 plus 4 times of -1. So here again, I'll use board mass. Let me write. And so we'll end up with no brackets within the brackets and there's nothing happening. No operation, no division. Multiplication, yes. 3 into -2 is -6, right? 4 into -1. So this is -6. Plus 4 into -1 is -4. And multiplication is done. We just have addition, that is -10. So we have 3 variables over here. So we have x minus y getting divided by z. So we are substituting. See, I write it very, in a neat manner. Whenever I want an extra space, I just take it, right? So always see to that, at least you should be able to read it. That's the starting point. If you come back, say 3-4 days or a month or two later, it should be clear to you as well. That should be the minimum benchmark. So for me, this is more satisfactory because Z is there, it's occupying some space. So, I'm going to shift one line. So X is 5 and you have, I told you, always use brackets whenever you are dealing with negative. And this is why it's useful. Can you see that? Negative of negative divided by 2. So board mass, there is brackets. So we need to solve brackets. So negative of negative. Yes, what should we do? Additive inverse of -3 is what we have to write over here. Divided by 2. Still brackets is not yet completed. 5 plus 3 is 8. Divided by 2. Now the brackets is completed. No operation. There is division. And so that is 4. And we are done. I think, yeah, that's it. So again, maintain the discipline of writing things neat. And always tell what is that we are substituting. Even in higher grades, you have to make a habit of writing that. So this is not something for this year. It would be till you're using mathematics, physics, chemistry, whatever you're looking at. Whenever you're substituting something, you need to make use of a proper statement. Whenever you're using a particular law, you need to make that statement that I'm using this.